Identify the change, stress, to the system. At time T2, more NH3 gas is added to the vessel. This increases the concentration of the product in the equilibrium system. 3H2 plus N2 is in equilibrium with 2NH3. Apply Le Chatelier's principle. According to this principle, if a chemical system at equilibrium is disturbed by a change in concentration, the system will shift its equilibrium position in a direction that tends to counteract that disturbance. Predict the direction of the shift. Because the concentration of a product, NH3, was increased, the system will attempt to consume the excess NH3 by shifting to the left toward the reactants. Determine the effect on reactants. As the reaction shifts to the left, NH3 molecules will decompose to produce more N2 and H2 gas. This results in an increase in the amount and concentration of both N2 and H2. Conclusion. Statement D correctly identifies that the amount of N2 will increase as the system works to restore equilibrium. The correct answer is option D. The amount of N2 will increase.